10 Fascinating Facts About Animal Kingdom. Welcome to our video, 10 Fascinating Facts About Animal Kingdom. From the tallest land animal to the fastest runner on Earth, animals never cease to amaze us with their incredible abilities and unique characteristics. Join us as we explore some of the most fascinating creatures from around the world. Number 1, Giraffes. We'll start with the tallest land animal in the world, the giraffe. Did you know that their tongues can be up to 18 inches long? Stay tuned to learn more. Giraffes are the tallest land animals in the world, with adult males standing up to 18 feet tall. Despite their height, giraffes only have 7 neck vertebrae, just like humans. Giraffes have long and powerful tongues, which can be up to 18 inches long. They use these tongues to grab leaves and other food sources that are high up in trees. Giraffes have incredibly high blood pressure, up to 2 or 3 times higher than that of humans. This is because their hearts need to pump blood all the way up to their heads, which can be over 6 feet above their hearts. Giraffes are social animals and often live in groups called towers or herds. These groups can consist of up to 20 individuals. Giraffes have very long legs, which can be over 6 feet tall. These legs are incredibly powerful and can deliver kicks strong enough to kill a lion. Giraffes are ruminants, meaning they have a 4-chambered stomach like cows and sheep. They regurgitate and rechew their food to aid in digestion. Despite their height, giraffes are excellent swimmers and have been known to cross rivers and lakes in search of food. Giraffes are very quiet animals and do not make much noise. They communicate with each other through infrasonic sounds that are too low for humans to hear. Giraffes are endangered due to habitat loss and poaching. It's estimated that there are only around 111,000 giraffes left in the wild. Number 2, Octopus. Next up, we'll dive into the ocean to learn about one of the most intelligent creatures on Earth, the octopus. You won't believe what they can do. Octopuses are highly intelligent creatures and are considered to be among the most intelligent invertebrates in the world. They have been known to solve puzzles and navigate through mazes with ease. Octopuses have 3 hearts, 2 that pump blood through the gills and 1 that pumps blood through the rest of the body. They have a remarkable ability to change color and texture to blend in with their surroundings, which helps them to avoid predators and hunt prey. Octopuses have 8 arms, which are lined with suction cups that can taste and smell, allowing them to detect prey and navigate their environment. They have the ability to regenerate their arms if they lose one, which is a unique adaptation in the animal kingdom. Octopuses are nocturnal creatures and are most active at night. During the day, they tend to hide in crevices or dens to avoid predators. They can squeeze through incredibly small spaces, thanks to their ability to contort their bodies and compress their bones. Octopuses have a beak-like mouth, which they use to bite and tear their prey apart. They have a highly developed nervous system, with 2/3 of their neurons located in their arms. This allows them to control their arms independently of their brain and process multiple sensory inputs at once. Octopuses have short lifespans and typically only live for 1 to 2 years, although some species can live up to 5 years. Number 3, Sloths. Then, we'll head to the rainforest to meet some sloths. You might think they're just lazy, but until you hear about their amazing fur. Sloths are arboreal mammals that are known for their slow movement and low energy lifestyle. They are found in the rainforests of Central and South America. There are 2 types of sloths, 2-toed and 3-toed. They are named for the number of digits on their front limbs. Sloths are known for their slow metabolism and low body temperature, which allows them to conserve energy and survive on a diet of leaves. They spend most of their lives hanging upside down from trees, thanks to their long, curved claws that allow them to grip branches. Sloths are excellent swimmers and can hold their breath for up to 40 minutes. They have a unique symbiotic relationship with moths and algae. The algae grows on their fur, which provides them with camouflage, while the moths lay their eggs in their fur, which provides a food source for the sloths. Sloths have an unusual digestive system that takes up to a month to digest a single meal. This slow digestion helps to extract as many nutrients as possible from their diet of low-nutrient leaves. They are solitary creatures and are generally quiet and docile. They spend most of their time sleeping, up to 15 hours a day. Sloths have a slow reproductive rate and give birth to only 1 baby at a time. The baby stays with its mother for up to a year before becoming independent. They are threatened by habitat destruction and hunting, and some species are considered to be endangered. Conservation efforts are underway to protect their habitat and populations.
Number 4, Cheetahs. Back on land, we'll talk about the fastest runner on Earth, the cheetah. We'll explore their lightning-fast speeds and their incredible acceleration. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals on Earth, capable of reaching speeds of up to 75 miles per hour, 120 kilometers per hour, over short distances. They are found in parts of Africa, mainly in savannas and grasslands, but their populations are declining due to habitat loss and other factors. Cheetahs are the only big cats that cannot roar. Instead, they communicate through a range of sounds including purrs, growls, and hisses. They have a unique hunting strategy where they use their incredible speed to chase down prey over short distances, usually less than 1 minute. Cheetahs have slender bodies and long legs, which give them a streamlined appearance and help them to run faster. They have distinctive black tear marks on their face, which help to reduce glare from the sun and improve their vision. Cheetahs are solitary animals and are most often found alone or in small groups. They are the only big cats that are diurnal, meaning they are most active during the day. Cheetahs are excellent mothers and spend up to 2 years teaching their cubs how to hunt and survive in the wild. Unfortunately, cheetah populations are declining due to habitat loss, hunting, and other factors. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these incredible animals and their habitats. Number 5. Elephants. Moving on to the largest land animal, we'll meet some elephants. You'll be amazed at their incredible memories and their vital role in their ecosystem. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. They can weigh up to 22,000 pounds, 10,000 kilograms, and stand up to 13 feet, 4 meters, tall. They are social animals that live in herds and are known for their close family bonds. Elephants have been known to mourn their dead and show affection to their family members. Elephants have a highly developed brain, which is similar in structure to that of humans. They are considered to be one of the most intelligent animals in the world. They have a long lifespan, with some elephants living up to 70 years in the wild. Elephants are herbivores and can eat up to 300 pounds, 136 kilograms, of vegetation in a single day. They have unique tusks that are actually elongated incisor teeth. These tusks are used for digging, defending themselves, and foraging for food. Elephants have a prehensile trunk, which is a combination of their nose and upper lip. This trunk is incredibly strong and can be used for a variety of tasks, including drinking, eating, and grasping objects. They have a remarkable memory and can remember specific individuals, locations, and even events from their past. Elephants are important ecosystem engineers, playing a vital role in maintaining the balance of their habitats by creating pathways and clearing vegetation. Unfortunately, elephants are threatened by habitat loss, poaching, and other factors. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these magnificent animals and their habitats. Number 6. Kangaroos. Down in Australia, we'll hop along with some kangaroos. You'll be surprised at how they use their tails for balance. Kangaroos are marsupials, which means that they give birth to underdeveloped young that then continue to develop outside the mother's body in a pouch. They are native to Australia and are known for their large, powerful hind legs and long, muscular tail. Kangaroos can jump up to 3 times their body length in one leap, which helps them to move quickly and efficiently across the landscape. They are herbivores and mainly eat grasses, leaves, and shrubs. Kangaroos have a unique reproductive system where females can have multiple sexual partners and can delay the development of their embryos until environmental conditions are favorable. Male kangaroos are known as boomers, and females are known as flyers or does. Baby kangaroos are called joeys. Kangaroos are social animals and live in groups called mobs or troops. They have a unique digestive system that allows them to regurgitate and rechew their food, which helps them to extract as much nutrition as possible from their plant-based diet. Kangaroos have excellent eyesight and can see in color, which helps them to detect predators from a distance. Unfortunately, kangaroos are threatened by habitat loss, hunting, and other factors. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these iconic Australian animals and their habitats. Number 7, bees. Back to the smaller creatures, we'll buzz around with some bees. You won't believe how important they are to our planet. Bees are flying insects that are closely related to wasps and ants. They are known for their important role in pollination and the production of honey. There are over 20,000 species of bees, including honeybees, bumblebees, and solitary bees. Bees live in colonies, with each colony consisting of a queen bee, drones, male bees, and worker bees, female bees. Honeybees communicate with each other through a series of dance movements, which help them to direct other bees to food sources. Bees are important pollinators and are responsible for pollinating about 1/3 of the world's crops. They have a unique sense of smell and can detect different types of flowers and plants from a distance. Bees have a special stomach called a honey stomach, which they use to store nectar collected from flowers. This nectar is later regurgitated and turned into honey by other bees. Bees are capable of flying up to 15 miles, 24 kilometers per hour, and can travel up to 5 miles, 8 kilometers, from their hive in search of food. They have a stinger that they use for defense, which can be fatal to some people who are allergic to bee venom. Unfortunately, bee populations are declining due to habitat loss, pesticide use, and other factors. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these important pollinators and their habitats. Number 8, penguins. We'll waddle along with some penguins next, talking about their cute and clumsy gait on land and their amazing swimming abilities in the water. Penguins are flightless birds that are found mainly in the southern hemisphere, particularly in Antarctica. There are 18 different species of penguins, ranging in size from the smallest, the fairy penguin, which is only 16 inches, 40 centimeters, tall, to the largest, the emperor penguin, which can grow up to 4 feet, 1.2 meters, tall. Penguins are excellent swimmers and can dive to depths of up to 500 feet, 150 meters, to search for food. They have a thick layer of feathers that helps to keep them warm in cold temperatures. Penguins are social animals and live in large colonies, with some colonies containing thousands of individuals. Male and female penguins take turns incubating their eggs, with one partner staying at the nest while the other goes in search of food. Penguins are carnivorous and mainly eat krill, fish, and squid. They have a unique gland located near their eyes that filters saltwater out of their bloodstream, allowing them to drink seawater and stay hydrated. Penguins communicate with each other through a series of vocalizations and body language. Unfortunately, penguin populations are declining due to climate change, overfishing, and other factors. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these beloved birds and their habitats. Number 9. Orangutans. Then, we'll head back to the rainforest to meet some orangutans. You'll see why they're so closely related to humans. Orangutans are one of the 4 great apes, along with chimpanzees, gorillas, and bonobos. There are 2 species of orangutans, the Bornean orangutan, Congo pygmaeus, and the Sumatran orangutan, Congo abeli. Orangutans are found only on the islands of Borneo and Sumatra in Southeast Asia. Orangutans are the largest arboreal, tree-dwelling, mammals in the world. They have a distinctive reddish-brown hair color and long, powerful arms that are longer than their legs. Orangutans are primarily herbivores and their diet consists of fruit, leaves, bark, and insects. They are highly intelligent animals and have been observed using tools, such as branches to extract insects from tree bark. Orangutans have a very slow reproductive rate and females give birth only once every 6 to 8 years. The population of orangutans has declined dramatically in recent years due to habitat loss, hunting, and the illegal pet trade. Orangutans are critically endangered, with only an estimated 104,700 Bornean orangutans and 7,500 Sumatran orangutans left in the wild. Number 10. Bats. Finally, we'll take to the skies with some bats. You won't believe how they navigate using echolocation. Bats are the only mammals capable of sustained flight. There are over 1,400 species of bats in the world, making them one of the most diverse mammalian orders. Most bats are nocturnal, meaning they are active at night. They use echolocation to navigate and locate their prey in the dark. Bats have a unique wing structure, with elongated fingers and a membrane of skin stretched between them. This allows them to fly efficiently and maneuver in the air. Some species of bats can live up to 30 years, making them one of the longest-lived mammals for their size. Bats are important pollinators and seed dispersers in many ecosystems. For example, the agave plant, used to make tequila, depends on bats for pollination. Many bats consume insects, and a single bat can eat up to 1,200 mosquitoes in an hour, helping to control insect populations and reduce the spread of disease. Despite popular belief, most bats are not blind. In fact, many have good vision and some can even see in ultraviolet light. Bat colonies can range in size from just a few individuals to millions. The largest colony of bats in the world, found in Bracken Cave, Texas, is estimated to have over 15 million bats. Some species of bats have evolved to feed on blood, a behavior known as hematophagy. The common vampire bat, found in Central and South America, is one such species. Unfortunately, many bat populations are in decline due to habitat loss, disease, and human persecution. Bats are also threatened by wind turbines, which can cause fatal collisions, and white nose syndrome, a fungal disease that has killed millions of bats in North America. And that concludes our video on 10 fascinating facts about the animal kingdom. We hope you enjoyed learning about these incredible creatures as much as we enjoyed sharing them with you. From the incredible senses of the platypus to the most intelligent creatures on Earth, the animal kingdom never ceases to amaze us. If you have any other interesting facts about animals that you'd like to share, please let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with all our latest videos.